Topping it with chocolate frosting. Also, if you have a favorite chocolate frosting, you could definitely replace this. And we have some on our blog, so if you go to Six Sisters Stuff under the recipe index, you'll be able to find frostings. And so after it's frosted, I'm dipping it in chocolate sprinkles, just enough to coat the frosting. And I found these eyeballs. They're Wilton brand, and you can find them at Target or Walmart. And I'm just placing these on where the turkey's eyes would go. And this is something fun that your kids could do while you're doing dishes on Thanksgiving or something. And then just a candy corn for the beak. And then I place about 4 or 5 candy corns as turkey feathers along the back. And it's optional if you want to use red frosting for this next part. You could be finished like this, or if you want to, I'm adding just a little bit of red frosting to finish it off and really make it look like a turkey. Oh, not my best, but you can find this recipe and other delicious Thanksgiving recipes on our blog, sixsistersstuff.com.